and happy Monday. So today I'm trying to make something with Mexican and some salad that Basil and Tom's had. They had this lovely purpley lettuce, and I got fennel bulb in there chopped up. So I'm mixing of those two. Had some red pepper from the box, and I'm just air frying some chicken. So I'm using the Santa Maria fajita spices. I saw it from somebody else's video, and I'm making that air fry fajita salad. But I'm using sort of half mixing two recipes into one. That's chicken breast with onions and peppers, and I'm using fajita slices. It's cooking nicely. I love Santa Maria brand, very nice. Found some old basil, black beans, and I might add this to a side, or might add it to the salad. Not sure. I've got the salsa bits and pieces for it. So I've got guacamole, and I've got salsa, and I've got sour cream. Thinking for the cheese, mix that all up, make a nice salad. I'm cooking up red onion, but should I put a raw red onion finely chopped as well? Not sure. Gotta think. Okay, I decided to add finely chopped onions. I thought it would give a different texture. I've also added freshly chopped coriander. I'm going to put a rest for decoration. There is the chicken fajitas done, and I'm going to add that on top. We've got on the sides guacamole, sour cream, salsa, and grated cheese. So that will be our dressing, and that'll be a nice salad. There you are. I've even added in the cooked juices of the chicken fajita. Thought that's nice as a dressing. Put in some nice coriander, and we're going to have that tonight. Bon appetit!